Hi, I'm Rose, and today we're going to be making some crock pot beef fajitas. Okay, so for our ingredients, we're going to be using some skirt steak. I've got some cilantro, a green bell pepper, 3 different color of peppers, yellow, red, and orange. You can also just stick with 2. I've got an onion, a lime, salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, cumin, and fajita seasoning. First, we want to start by de-seeding our peppers. Then we want to cut them in strips along with our onions, and we want to chop up our cilantro. Let's go ahead and cut our lime in half.
Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my skirt steak in strips.
Moving on to our crock pot, I like to line my crock pot for less mess. And I'm going to take about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of picante sauce. This is mild, and I'm going to add it to the bottom of my crock pot. Now we'll add our peppers, onions, and cilantro. Then add your fajita meat. Squeeze 1 whole lime. For our spices, we're going to start with salt to your taste. We'll follow with some pepper to your taste.
I'm going to add some garlic powder.
I'm eyeballing my measurements, but I would say about 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of cumin.
Add some oregano. I would say maybe about a teaspoon. Last but not least, we're going to go in with our fajita seasoning.
2 tablespoons. One last thing that you can add is about 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder.
Now we're just going to mix everything together just so that the spices can be distributed evenly.
Now that everything is in there, we want to cover it up and cook on low heat for 6 hours. The fajitas are now ready and have my house smelling super delicious. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe.